Hey guys, moomaxie here, and I am back with episode 3 of Bukkit Basics. So, let's get back into it, and let's see. What did I want to do? Okay, what I wanted to do was bring you guys into configuration files and configs. So, wow, sorry, I don't know if you can hear that squeak, but my chair. Alright, and so let's do this. So we can make a... Let's see. Let's do it. Let's do it in teleportation style. So like a /back command, kind of, but except you can set it. It'll be kind of like a home, I guess. So let's do. This will also bring you into arguments and stuff. So let's have our command label be just teleport. I don't know. And we can keep this because only a sender will be able to do this. And let's do that. So if this is going to bring into arguments. If first we'll do if arguments.length. So if the length of the arguments or the amount that you put is equal to 1, we'll say. So if you only have one argument, then now let's get the argument. So actually no, if args, the first argument, because in Java you use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of 1, 2, 3. So if the first argument equals set, so if that argument equals set, then what we are going to do is we are going to get the configuration file, which Bukkit has graciously given to us as just get config, fun, dot set, and we're going to set, for now we'll just set x, alright, x. We're going to set it as, no, what am I doing? Okay, we're going to set it as player dot get location. Why is that there? Get location dot get x, and that gets the x coordinate of the player at the location that they are currently standing, and that sets it. So then we can do another get config dot set. What are we going to do now? Y. Get the y coordinate. They're going to set this to player dot get location dot get y. Simple enough, right? Alright. And let's do the exact same thing for z. Get z. Get z. Alright. And actually, know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring you guys into also yawn pitch and setting the actual, getting the world that they're in. So get config dot set yaw. We're going to set the yaw to player dot get location dot get yaw, and that is this is a lot simpler than you might think. And then and pitch, if you spell pitch right, don't replace the P with a B, and pitch. Alright, and lastly, the getting the world is actually different. So we're going to do get config dot set world. You're going to set it to player dot get world dot get name. Remember the get name. That is what you need. I guess the world name. Not the just getting the world itself will not work. You need the name. And then lastly, save config. If you do not do save config, then none of this will save. None of it will work. Alright, and then we'll tell the player dot send message, not send map, send message. Tell them your coordinates, or you spell it. Your place has been saved. You can add any color if you want. And remember, return true. And we can also do an else statement here. So otherwise, if it isn't equal to set, then we can tell the player dot send message usage dash teleport set, or dash teleport. Alright, and we can also do another one. So else if args.length are greater than 1. So if the amount of args that you put is greater than 1, then we're just going to send the player this exact message. This is just so that, you know, it doesn't just return anything. Basically, if you do something else, another argument like this, or that isn't set, normally it will not display anything and it won't do anything. We want it to do something, so if you get it wrong, just tell them how to use it, I guess. Alright, then we can also change this to an else. So we can do if args.length is equal to 0, then we can do integer x is equal to get config dot get int x, and that just gets the whatever you set for this. And yeah, and we can also do this. Actually set that for, actually no, I'll get to those ones later. So y, z, then change that to y and that one to z. Alright, now for these ones, for yaw and pitch, yaw and pitches are actually floats. So float yaw is equal to get config, not config, config dot get int, it's still an issue anyway, get int yaw. You don't have a get float thing, but for our purposes, yaw and pitch are a float. Pitch equals get config, config dot get in, get, oh, get config dot get int pitch. Now I have the yaw and pitch, and now string world equals get config. I'm really getting annoyed now. Get config, come on, dot get string, get string this time, get string. We can have the get string as world. Yeah, that's why we put it as world. Alright, so now we have that. Then we can just easily do player dot teleport to a new location. This location is going to be world x, y, z, yaw, and pitch. And there you go, and we can import location. And why is this giving me an error? Oh yeah, we have to cast that to world. World w equals bucket dot get world world. That just gets the name of the world. Do that, and we can change world to w. My mistake. Alright. And we can actually do this? Or z isn't equal to null. Please tell me I can do this. Nope. Alright. If x isn't equal to null, or actually wait. Whatever. Never mind. Alright. We won't do that, I guess. Okay. So we have this, and do player dot send message teleported to previously saved location. So now in this one we have learned to teleport, and we have learned to use configs and other fun stuff like that. Yes, and actually arguments as well. A lot covered in this episode, but it's all extremely easy still. And good thing about this is that we don't have to do teleport and then teleport set. We can just use teleport and teleport or teleport set teleporting command. Alright. You don't need to change those. I just doing it for the purpose of the video. Normally I just leave them. And yeah, that's what I want to do, right? I don't know if I worked on any other plugins, did I? No, I didn't. Okay. Alright, so now we can start up the server. We should not have any errors. And no. Alright, good. Alright, bring up Minecraft. Go into the server. And why do I not have any music on? Love that Minecraft music. It's fantastic. Alright. And now, we just do teleport set. Your place has been saved. And actually, before I do anything else, you can bring up the server files, plugins, and there you go. Our plugin. That's the name of our plugin that we put inside the plugin.yml. We open here. We have the config. Has our x coordinate, y coordinate, yaw and pitch, in our world. All saved. And just to show you that way it works. Now if I do teleport. Am I falling? Oh god. What? What? Okay. That should be it. Unless for some what? Oh god. Nope. Bring that back up. Let's see. Got a glimpse of my desktop. Very crowded desktop. Alright, let's bring up that again. I want to see something. Now, what? Why did not save our Z? Unless I did something. Ah, that's what it is. Alright. Oopsie. Okay, refresh. File, export, next. Finish, yes. Alright. Why do I do that? Nope. I do not need that up. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's bring that back up. Let's reload. Reload. Alright. Now, if I do teleport set, place has been saved. If I go all the way down to the watering hole, you know, I'm just like one of those antelope. Teleport back to here. And that's probably gonna be it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And yeah, that's it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to do, what you want to see, what you want to hear, what you can hear, what you had for breakfast. I don't care. Just whatever. And as you can see, heal still does not work because we took it out. But okay, so thank you guys, and bye bye.